Hello, this is Ed Brown with Chittenden Builders. Here we are at the Eagles Club. We've torn off the back of the roof today, and as you can see, we have it half weathered in using the ice and water shield along the bottom roof line and the rooftop guard 2 across the upper deck. Before applying the ice and water shield and the rooftop guard 2, we've nailed all the sheets of plywood back down on the seams using the framing nailer to ensure that these are properly secured before applying the rooftop guard 2 and the shingles to the roof. This will enhance the structure and give the shingles a longer lasting lifetime. This project right here is about 25 square, and we've torn this off and weathered this in one day. This is a very steep pitch with 3 dormers and 6 valleys to be flashed and ice and water shielded as well. So this was quite a job for 4 guys, and we've done this here, and we'll be ending up with a short day. Thank you very much. You can contact Chittenden Builders at 1-800-NEW-ROOF or reach us on the web at www.chittendenbuilders.com. Have a wonderful day.